Alright, welcome to the channel. This week we're on Royal Caribbean's Jewel of the Seas. We're on deck 10 near the forward part of the ship. Right here is the exit. Right there is the elevator, so it's real close to the elevators. But we have a room 1520. Go ahead and give you a tour of the room. This is a Ocean View balcony room. And I'll give you an idea of where we're at on the map here. We're on deck 10, like I said, so we're right here. Or the right here. So, but as you walk in on the left-hand side, you have your closet here. Pretty good sized closet. It does have some shelves in here. See if we can get a light on here first. Okay. So you have some shelves here in the center, and then on each side you have the hanging area with your life vest on top. This is a room that does have a drop-down bed, so that's why the ladder's in here for if the bunk is dropped down. I'll show you that once we get back towards the bed area. But on the right hand side is the thermostat. A couple hangers right here on the wall. And like I said, this is on deck 10. So the pool deck is above us, so hopefully there's not going to be a lot of noise on that. Here's the bathroom. The nice thing about it doesn't have the shower curtains. It does have the slide open doors, and you got your soap and shampoo on the wall there, dispenser on the wall. Then just your standard vanity, and you have an area here to store some items behind the mirror. Going on out into the stateroom, you have the desk here on the left hand side, and some drawers, 3 drawers looks like on each side of the desk, and then a center drawer here. Then behind the mirrors, you have some additional storage. So additional 4 places to store items. That's on both sides, the left side and the right side. You do have a full-length mirror here on the right-hand side as you come into the sitting area right here. A little table here, and then just a 2-person seat here. Coming on in, we got a couple of lamps, one on each side of the bed. Turn on there. I think it's got a spotlight. Yeah, there's the spotlight. And then you have your phone and a nightstand. Same thing on the other side. There's a nightstand and a lamp. It does have a refrigerator / cooler in here. It's not real cold, so that's an issue with a lot of these on the older ships. Then the TV does swivel out. And then you should have a safe and some shelving up here for some more storage. Alright, then this is a connecting room here, so if you did have 2 rooms, you could have a room next door and have that open, so have access to the both rooms then. The bed is pushed together, you'd have it separated here. Then here, like I said, there is a drop-down bunk here, so stateroom attendant has the tool to bring this down, so you could technically have 3 people in this room, a child or something sleeping up there. So that's what that ladder's for. All right, coming on around, got a couple switches right here to turn the lights on for the balcony area, and we'll go outside the balcony and check it out. Like I said, there is another light nightstand there on the other side of the bed too. So we're in the port of Fort Lauderdale. Just a quick weekend trip. Balcony, you'd have a couple chairs and a table out here, and I'll give you an idea of where we're at on the ship, because right there's the pool area right there, and then right here is the bridge, not too far away. So all right, I'll give you a quick view of the room before we end the video. Like I said, not bad. It's got a decent sized room. This is very similar to your typical balconies on this class of ship. This is, like I said, Jewel of the Seas. So alright, if you like what you saw, do me a favor, hit that like button and give me a thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel. I invite you to subscribe so you don't miss any of our future content, and comment down below, and we'll see you on the next one.